Concatenation in Verilog allows you to combine multiple bits or groups of bits into a single vector. This is done using the curly braces to concatenate different operands. It's important to note that when you include literal values, you must specify their size so that the bits are properly aligned. For instance, a literal like 2 needs to be explicitly sized, otherwise the system won't know how many bits to assign to it. Let's look at an example. If you write a 7 down to 0 equals open curly brace, 5 tick B 01010, 2, close curly brace, you would get an error because the 2 isn't sized. To fix this, you need to specify 2B10 instead. Similarly, in C3 down to 0 equals open curly brace, 3 tick B011, tick B0, close curly brace, the 0 also lacks a size and should be written as 1B0 to properly fit into the concatenation. This sizing ensures that every bit goes exactly where it's meant to go. Without correct sizing, the result might not fit in the vector as expected, leading to simulation errors.